Ooh, D. Oh, man. Oh, bro. Ouch. Fuck. Right. One more move. Ouch on this. Oh, must be really lucky. Lucky, oh, like, very lucky. Okay, but still come and take us out. Because the market volatility is really crazy. I don't know if we should just close and just take our loss. Or we should just wait and see what the market is going to do. But market structure is kind of really crazy right now, man. Let's just watch and see. We're almost taken out of this trade just now. We almost, almost. Yeah, I think we still get taken out. Boom. That's crazy. That's good for you, man. That's crazy. It's crazy, man. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Back to our $21. Fuck. Hey, I would have thought as much, man. This move right here should have been a retracement. Falling on, didn't get it on time. Wait, I'm not supposed to even take this trade. I'm supposed to take this trade, man. I lost. I know go right now. Would has been acting really crazy, man. Mm, 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 mm. Crazy nigga. Crazy day. La la la. She would have not take us out though. Swear. Still been on this trade, like still been on this trade. Use proper risk management would have still been on this trade. That's the price you pay. Trying to mess with the market. That's the price you pay for trying to mess with the market, you know. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm supposed to be on this trade like real early. You know why? It's my supposed to be a buy around this area. I think the market is retracing. I think the market is retracing for now. Let's just hold on a little and see how the market structure is going. We can get in trade. Uh, yeah. Mad. That move, man. Market is just acting, it's just moving choppy. Like, hmm. I think at this point, what I'm seeing on gold right now, market is trying to create a flag pattern. I think that's what the market is doing right now. It's trying to create a flag pattern. You guys can see I'm analyzing on my PC. Analyzing on my PC, and what I'm seeing right here, I think the market is just trying to create a flag pattern on this higher time frame. What it's doing. First trade took stopped out. Uh, just hold on. Wait for the perfect opportunity before we get in on this trade. I made a lot of money today. Oh. Didn't go live on time because I was just busy. When I'm trading, like I like to like focus on my mind, you know. Let's see what's gonna happen. Wait, spray you the money, oh. Money, oh. We move from you. Yeah, from you. The money. Sorry. Just waiting for the perfect opportunity to get in on this trade. You know. Since we are trading with a small capital, wait. Perfect opportunity to get in on the trade. Uh, yeah. Okay. You guys know this? What's the name of this chart pattern that you guys are seeing? You guys know this chart pattern? The name of this chart pattern? Leave a comment, man. Comment, leave a comment. Let's interact with each other. When it comes to gold, gold is this point. I'm not looking to the way gold is just moving, it's just moving choppy, like moving choppy. People that are scalping right now, more. I don't know how they're doing it. A lot of accounts are getting blown right now. Okay. See? Lagos to Dubai. All right. We're in. Don't want to take small profit and just get out. I don't want to make any silly mistake, man. Taking small profit and get out the market. The market is moving choppy, choppy. Like, uh, this is a small account, guys. So we're out. Should we get out? No. Come on, come on, come on. Out already. that's that's really tricky, man. Guys, um, the reason why I'm trading good this way, right now I'm not using proper risk management. I'm just looking for the perfect opportunity. Like I'm just looking for, and I'm just looking at the market structure on the lower time frame. You guys cannot see me. I'm using my PC to monitor the market. And what I'm doing is I'm just looking at the market structure, the way it's moving. I know it's what the market is doing right now. The market is forming a flag pattern. Market is forming a flag pattern on the lower time frame, and this pattern is, let me go on to the uh, this pattern is a continuation pattern. I know gold is flying all the way to this zone right here. This is where I'm like expecting gold to get to. This is where I'm expecting gold to get to. But since this is a small account, I'm just trying to scale it up. I've these are all the trades that we have taken so far today. we made a we made some withdrawals. Made some withdrawals, as you guys can see. These are the total deposit is 184, and the withdrawal that we have made so far is $194. So the total profit we made so far today is $50, which you guys can see right here. The total profit we made is $50. Since the broker that I'm using, guys, is Hot Forex, they don't charge. They don't. There's nothing like the account type that I'm using is what's it called? Is what's that zero spread account that I'm using. They have different account types that you can choose from. But the one that I'm using, since this is a small account, is a zero spread account. So it's one of the best broker to trade. Uh, especially small accounts like this. It's one of the best broker to trade small accounts. So if you if you want to use the same broker that I use, there's a link in my bio on this my YouTube channel right here. You can click on it and sign up. There's also a video, a guide on how to sign up to create your own zero spread account. So if it's something that interests you, you can just go there, go on my bio, and sign up. So yeah, guys. So right now, I'm not looking to trade. I won't lie to you guys. Like, I'm not looking to trade anything. This account, we funded this account $14. $14. We'll be able to raise it all the way up to. If I'm not mistaken, guys. That's all the trades that we took. This is a small account. If you are trading small account, unless maybe you want to, if you are trading small accounts like all these $30, if you see a clear market structure and you know that if you place your trade, like the risk to reward is high, that's when you can hold, maybe use 0.01 loss size, and then scale it up. But if like the market structure is not that clear, like you know that or maybe the market I will advise that risk risky, bro. There's no one thing about this trading of a thing. Like sometimes you just have to risk and just wait for the result. Just like I said before, I said this what this market is just trying to create. It's trying to create a continuation pattern, which is a flag pattern. This is a flag pattern. Sorry, let me delete this. This is a continuation pattern. I've seen this pattern countless of times. So what I'm expecting gold to do right now is go to break above this level, break out level. This is a continuation pattern. I've seen this countless of times. Gold is going as a 100%, like I'm sure gold is going to break above, like gold is going to break above. This is a continuation pattern. And also this is more of a confirmation again because as you can see, the market retraced all the way down to this level and created a kind of a W formation. You can see right here, the market create kind of a W formation, took people who bought around this area, took them out and continued uh, rallying up, as you can see right here. So when the market got to this area right here, the market, you know, consolidating in this triangle or ascending, I don't know what they call it, ascending triangle. So, so this is a continuation flag pattern, and it's going to break out. It's going to break out, and what we are looking to, if I see a breakout, I'm just going to wait a little before I get in. Use 0.01 loss size. Maybe set my stop loss below this level right here. Set my stop loss below this level, then set my take profit maybe above this area right here, or maybe I just set it right here. We don't want too much, like here is even okay, like below this level right here. Don't want too much because one thing about gold is really volatile. So any small move like this, your small account is gone. This is how I trade. This is how I trade almost every day. Almost every day. Today now we have made almost, like, if I'm not mistaken, we have made closely in Nigeria currency, we have made closely 80 70 something thousand or 80 something thousand naira so far. Something, you know. One thing I always tell people is this, like, you are not happy Forex with the small capital that you have. Try your best. Don't try to. Most of the times I do flip, but before you see me flip, before you see me risk all my capital on a particular trade, like I've seen the market structure, I've seen it. I know that this year, if I buy here, there's 100% chances that the market is going to shoot up, or if it sell, like the market is going to sell. And immediately, I place that trade, maybe use full margin on a particular trade. If it's in profit, maybe like $2, $3, immediately I'm closing. Like, you don't have to wait. You don't have to wait till it gets to one zone, because any small movement like this, all your accounts will all wipe out. So it's just you take the little that you can see and just get out. Every day there's always trade opportunity every fucking day. Like, you don't have to like make all the money in one day. Since last week now, like, if you go to my Facebook page, my AD Forest Pro, you see all my trade. I post all my trades there. See, we have not had although we do get losses, but try to recover them back. Why? Because even if we make any loss, one thing about me, if I make loss, what I will do is this: I will just rest until I see another trade opportunity again. If you try to do revenge trading, bro, you're gonna blow that account. And if you blow the account, where will you see money to fund again? So all those things you need to consider before you take the risk. And I will even advise, like, don't risk any amount you cannot afford to lose. Don't risk any amount that you cannot afford to lose. All the profit that we've been making since last week now, what I do is this: I'll take percentage out of it and fund again. Sometimes that I will just maybe fund like $20. I will just risk it all. Risk it all. Sometimes they do work. Sometimes they do work. I will see like maybe the trade will work out, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So that is just trading for you. Sometimes you're gonna lose, sometimes you're gonna make money. So just keep going, man. So at this point right now, what we are waiting for is a breakout. What we are waiting for is a breakout. The market is just consolidating on this. But if you observe, let me show you guys something. You see all these weeks, these weeks that you are seeing is basically telling you that there's a lot of, can you see what I'm talking about? There's a lot of buy power. Like, the bulls are in control in this market right now. Like, there's a lot of the bearish uh the bears, they're trying to push the market down, but the bulls are in control, as you can see. Like, they're trying to push it down, but the bulls, they keep pushing it. Uh, they keep pushing it up. So this is a more confirmation that this market is gonna rally up. Market is gonna rally up. So what we don't know is when it's gonna happen. But as you can see right now, there is already a breakout. There's already a breakout, and the market closed above this level right here, which you can see. The market closed above this level. So this is if you are watching this live right now, this is a perfect opportunity to get in on this trade. This is a perfect opportunity to get in on this trade. And if you want to get in on the trade, you can maybe set your stop loss maybe below this level, depending on your account side. Set your stop loss below this level and set your take profit above these levels. Yeah, above this level. Yeah, above this level. Don't risk too much. Don't risk too much. But I know this trade is gonna work out. Uh, I know this trade is gonna work out, but don't risk too much. Just 1% of your capital, just 1% is okay. Set your stop loss below this level. But this is a nice trade opportunity. Just like I told you guys that there's gonna be a breakout, and is a continuation pattern. Is a continuation pattern. So I've seen this several times. Like I've seen it several times. So guys, if you're enjoying this live, please make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, comment. What do you guys comment on the live? Comment on the live. If there's anything that you don't understand, or maybe there's a pair that you want me to analyze, you can leave a comment also. Let's interact. You see, guys, you see the move, see the massive move, man. Crazy. But at this point, I won't lie to you guys. See it? That massive move to the upside. That massive move to the upside. Crazy. I didn't catch it on time. But at this point now, I might get in on this trade. I might. So let's just see if there's gonna be a retest or the market is just gonna keep shooting up. See if there's gonna be a retest. I don't think there's gonna be a retest. But let's just watch and see what's gonna happen right here. Let's see if there's gonna be a retest, man. I don't know why I cannot. I don't know why. Let me check something. Let me check something on my other phone. Phone. Check something. This is a clean setup. This is a clean setup, like clean setup. There's enough buy, like there's a lot of volatility on the buy side. Thanks, man. Emmanuel Boniface. Thanks, bro. I'm just saying your stuff. You're making money from this trade setup, guys. Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Get to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my social media platforms. Still AD Forex Pro. AD Forex Pro on Facebook, on my page AD Forex Pro. Then on Instagram, AD Forex Academy. Then on TikTok, AD Forex Pro. I think this point I feel like getting in on this trade. This point I feel like getting in on this trade because but we've made a lot of money today. Sometimes greed is very, very bad. We made a lot of money today. So I think for now I've hit my target like ×2. Normally my daily target is just $20. So we have made almost this This is the total amount we've made. If not for the losses that we had, it would have been more than this. It would have been more than this, but we still thank God. We're able to recover. We're able to recover the money or the losses that we had. We're able to recover it, and this is the profit so far we've made. Whoa, that massive candle. Hmm, that's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. The reason why I didn't on this trade. Good is kind of tricky, man. Good is tricky. Good is tricky. It's really tricky, man. See, hmm. What God is just doing right now, it's just coming to it's just coming to take out the stop losses of people who buy around this zone right here. It's coming to take out stop losses of people who buy around this area right here. Because they're going to be setting their stop loss below this level. So that's what the market did. Came to take out their stop losses. Crazy. One thing I know for sure, gold is this is where gold is heading to. One thing I know for sure, this is where gold is heading to. Well, cannot predict. Let's just see. Only at at this point, this channel is no longer valid. Crazy. At this point, the only at this point, the reason why I like trading. See one thing about this. I like trading doing London and New York overlap. This is why I like trading London and New York overlap. During those period of time, like there is high volatility. Like if the market is heading up, like that's where it's going. That's why I love trading London and New York overlap. As you can see right here, this trade is still to the upside. But what the market did just now was The market came and took people who didn't buy or time. The market came and took them out. That's what the market just do. This happens many of the times. This happens many of the times. But if it were to be maybe during London and New York, we see that the market movement, the volatility is different. Like the movement is always different, especially around that 4 o'clock Nigeria time, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's where you tend to see a lot of movement in the market. Move. Market is bouncing back up. Hmm. Ah, crazy. Let's just see. Just gotta be watching. Just gotta be watching, guys. Just gonna be watching the market. Right now, the market is just moving choppy, like taking people out anyhow. So, if you are watching this right now, I would advise uh, if you took that first trade, if you took that first trade around this 5149, took this trade, I believe you set your stop loss maybe below this level right here, below this level right here. So, still hold on to your buy for now. Still hold on to your buys for now. Let's just see what the market is gonna do. You see what the market is doing. Still hold on to your buys for now. I know the market is heading up to the. I know the market is heading to the upside. Just still hold on to your buys for now. And one thing about trade, when you place a trade, you don't just expect it to just move to your direction just like that. There's always going to be there's always going to be a retracement. There's going to be uh, retracement before the actual move. So just be patient and you know. You know, for the fact that we are doing live, I would have closed if I had been on this trade. I would have closed my closed my laptop, or I normally use my laptop to place every trade that I trade. I don't use my phone. I just use my phone to maybe monitor my. I do my analysis on my PC. I'm supposed to be using my PC to do live right now, but man, the last time I did live with my PC, I think the views is differ from when you use your phone to do live. So that's why I no longer use my PC for now. Unless maybe we want to do a deep analysis. Just want to do a deep analysis. That's when I normally use my PC to do live. See guys. Crazy. Hmm. Whew. Yeah, bro, Tama. Yes, man. Amen. Nico Templo Novo said you buy or waiting. The thing is, we have already, like, right now, I'm not trading. That's the truth. I'm not trading. I'm just waiting for, you know, for, like, I've reached my target for the day. I'm just trying to call one or two trades for you guys. Normally, I think the first trade I call for you guys is around this 54119. Yeah, that's the first trade I call for you guys. I tell you guys to set your take profit maybe below this level right here or below here, and set your this thing, your target around this area right here. Sorry, around this area right here. I think that's the first trade I took. But I didn't take the trade because I'm done for the day. I'm lie to you guys, like I'm done for the day. I don't want to be too greedy. I don't want to be too greedy. We're trying to grow this account gradually until we reach $100. But you can still, I'm not advised to buy around this area right here because right now the market is consolidating in this. The market is consolidating in this in this uh in this chart part, this pattern right here. This is a continuation pattern though. This is a continuation pattern. I don't know. I think we call it ascending, rising. What, I don't know. Forgotten the name of this chart pattern right here. Come on, let me do a research. Then ascending triangle. Yeah, ascending triangle. No, wedge. But it's a bullish continuation pattern though. A bullish continuation pattern. I've forgotten the name for it. The name for this chart pattern. A bullish rectangle. Yeah, I think it's bullish rectangle chart pattern. Yeah, I think. The market is still pushing to the upside. If you are still holding on to this trade, guys, I would advise set your this thing. Set your stop loss maybe below this. You extend your stop loss maybe above this area right here. Is even if the market decides to retrace, your losses won't be that much. That's why I told you guys apply proper risk management. You understand? Because nothing is certain when it comes to the market. That's why it's good to apply proper risk management. Depending on your account size. I think one of the mistakes I see a lot of people making is this. After placing a trade, this thing used to happen to me like countless of times before. Like after placing a trade, if the trade goes like if the trade goes in maybe in the uh, wrong direction, immediately you see some people closing their trade immediately. See, one thing about trading, you need to be really patient if you want to make money. If you want to make money, you need to be patient for you to make. If you place a trade, just leave it, let it play out. That's why it's good to use proper risk management. Set your stop loss in a reasonable place. Set your take profit, then close your charts. Come back. Many of the times that I do this, my trade always work out. Uh, As long as you know what you are doing, as long as you know what you are doing, trade will always work out. Because if you are looking at your chart all the time, like after placing a trade, then you are looking at it every second, every minute. There will be this emotional feeling that, maybe when the trade is just going in the wrong direction, you want to close the trade. And at the end of the day, the same trade that you close will end up being a winning trade. You see, guys, see what I told you guys. What I told you guys, man. What I told you guys. This point, if you're on this trade setup, I believe you are making money already. Making money already. That spike up. There's a lot of there's a lot of momentum in the buying side. I'm just gonna be using this as a guide for you guys, for those people that are just coming in. Market has even this point, like the market has even reached this level that we wanted to take profit from. I think it's around this level, right? It's around that level. But if you had been on this trade by now, you should be making money now. Like I didn't trade, just like I said before. I didn't place any trade because we have hit our target for the day. We have hit our target for the day, and I don't want to trade again. These are all the trades that we took today. Crazy. This is the total profit that we made so far today. 50. It's more than this. It's more than this. Just that we there was a trade that I placed that almost count. So I had to just try all my best to, as you can see right here, look at this trade that I took. I was trying to scalp, like open full margin. Really I saw profits. Thank God. It's just strategy, man. Scalping is, you don't just scalp anyhow. Like scalping is you need strategy when scalping. Like the market needs to be in a volatile state. Like, the market needs to be volatile to scalp. And for you to scalp, one of the like for you to be a good scalper, like you need to understand market structure. You need to understand market structure very well. This thing works for me almost all the time. If I have large capital, sometimes if I have large capital, this trade I would have head on to this trade that I close right here. I've head on to it, but it's just small amounts of money. So and this trade alone, this trade that you're seeing right here, this trade made us like almost $39, if I'm not mistaken, almost $39. You can see right here. Immediately we immediately we close the trade. Close the trade. I think we funded our account with like $50, right? We're able to withdraw. Look at this balance right here. Remove funds. We're able to remove 110, then we funded again. Funded another $22. We're able to raise it to I think we're able to raise it to I can't remember. We're able to raise it to like almost 40 something dollars if I'm not mistaken. These are the trees that we took today. This is a nice setup, guys. I told you guys, these are patterns that I see almost every day. These are patterns that I see almost every day, guys. See, this is a man. Look at how move, man. Look at how move. Woo, crazy, crazy. Whoa, hmm. Whoa. Good is good is good is I don't know. Good is really tricky. Like good is really tricky. If you don't have capital, I swear you cannot trade good. If you don't have a large capital, large amount of money, you cannot trade good. That's why for me, I'm trading gold with small amounts. If I'm trading gold with small amounts, immediately I place my trade. If I hit my target immediately, or even if I don't even hit my target, there is a way that I place my trade. The risk to reward is always high. The risk to reward is always high. Uh, you buy or let's say don't close it to retrace. Yeah, let's just see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Look at that spike, man. I hate see if there's any session that I hate trading is most especially Mondays like this, yeah, like Mondays. Truth is Monday, every Monday like this, there's always this the market always moves this way, just like what you're seeing right now. The market always moves this way, like it moves in how will I put it in a kind of You know, what's the best? What's the best language to use? The market moves in a kind of a, a what's it called? Forgotten the terminology. I believe you guys understand me. Like the market doesn't always just move in one direction. Like you just keep moving, spiking up, down. You know, taking people out. That's just one thing about gold. At the end of the day, you still find out that trade will still go in the initial when ready to go. So the market is coming back to entry point. Crazy, crazy, it's crazy, that's crazy. Hmm, that's crazy. Hmm. I think at this point, hmm, let's see though. This spike to the downside, as in it was unexpected, unexpected, like unexpected, crazy, unexpected. Whew, taking out, taking out. Imagine, look at what this market did. Exactly where we place our stop loss. That's where it came and took us out. You know, but like, did any one of you guys take the trade? You know, the move is still to the upside. Oh, the move is still to the upside. Like, BTC, Etego, Tripaya, Bazuko. Oh, that kind of. Ego, Sterling, Ego, ETC, Ego, Fire, Ego. Oh, that gambling people, what do you want to Ego, is still another perfect opportunity. Oh. Imagine. Whoa. Sterling. Yeah, is BTC USD. At this point, if you are trading this gold, you are trading this you are trading, our advice is just exit. And the market is just moving sideways. Just exit the trade and for another opportunity I will get in. Crazy. The market has reached take profit level already. The nice trade setup. Nice trade setup.
I'm not looking to take any trade right now. I'm just gonna wait till going to wait till London and New York overlap. You have been watching this live, like I've made a lot of money from this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We're live almost every day. I wanna make Bitcoin self, like I'm just watching out for Bitcoin. Just watching out for Bitcoin. And I know this breakout. This breakout is just a fake out. Breakout is just a fake out. But just watch and see what's gonna happen. At this point, if you're on this trade, thing is, shouldn't depend on your account size though. Shouldn't wait till your the market hits your take profit. Sometimes there's the level where the market will get to, like, and you've made a lot of money. Just exit. So that's it for this live, guys. when I'm just gonna be watching the market. I'm gonna be watching the market. When I see a nice setup doing London and New York session, I'm gonna place my trade. I'm gonna be going live. You guys are gonna be watching it. I'm gonna be going live doing London and New York session overlap during that time, maybe around 3/4 o'clock. Let's see what the market is gonna do. We see a nice opportunity during the London and New York session overlap. I'm going to trade. I'm gonna trade and I'm gonna go going live. So just watch out, guys. Watch out. And that's gonna be 2 o'clock. If I'm not mistaken, that's gonna be 2 o'clock. When the New York and that's when New York will open. So just watch out. If you are watching this live, set your timer 3/4 o'clock. I'm gonna be going live again. So I'm gonna be any trade opportunity that I see, we're gonna be taking it together. Right now, I'm not trading because I've hit my target. But if we see a nice opportunity, we're still gonna trade. Doing my trades tends to work out. Doing London and New York overlap, like my trade setup tends to work out. But if we don't see a trade opportunity, I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna call it tomorrow, just in case you guys don't see me. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'm just gonna be watching the market now. If I don't see any opportunity, I'm not gonna be coming live. Because the main purpose of me coming live is for us to trade together. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this live video. Don't forget to you know share. Also, if you are looking for a broker to trade with, as you guys can see right here, these are the trades that we took today. These are all the trades that we took today. This is Hot Forex. Hot Forex. This is a broker that I use to trade. If you are looking for a broker to trade with, this is the best broker to trade with if you're in Nigeria. Most especially those if you are trading small accounts, this is the best broker to use to trade. It's one of the best brokers. These are all the trades that we took today. Look at the profit that we made. We made a lot of money today. We are grateful to the market. You know, who would have thought maybe some days who would have thought like when I started my trading career, like I used to blow a lot of accounts, but these days now the knowledge and experience, things have been really different. I won't lie to you guys, like things have been really different. So make sure you follow me so we can you know ride the wave together. So thanks for watching, guys. The link to my broker is in my bio. If you want to sign up, link is in my bio. Click the link in my bio, sign up, and fund your account. Let's go live. Let's trade together, guys. So that's it for this live video, and see you on the next.